happening, y'all? Badass mother truck and Dragon King here. Drive the dump truck right through mama's daddy's house. You know, just mama, you know. It is what it is. Got a package here, you know. Dragon King 444 Kings Court Drive, you know, West Valley City, Utah. You know. It's really me, guys. You know. Do cosplay, you can do it for real. Oh, this is the upgraded chainsaw for his and hers. I got the other one. We got the other one, already. Probably the same thing. Just got a fancy box so they can sell it for more. Is really all it is. Boom. Ugh. Burnt to shit. Anyway, there's this. Keep your work area well lit. Got it. Benches in dark areas invite accidents. Dang straight. Do not operate power tools in explosive atmospheres. I'm glad they told me that one. Or near flammable liquids, gases, dust, or powders. Flammable powders, huh? Oh, yeah, gunpowder, huh? Noise. Said charging. Personal safety. Tool use and care. Does not turn disconnect battery pack. Blah, blah, blah. Battery operated tool, blah, blah, blah. Battery operated tool, and it can blah, blah, blah. Remove adjustable keys, wrenches before turning the tool on, blah, blah, blah. Do not overreach your mental capacity. Oh, finally, it's got one for everybody, you know. It doesn't really say that. I wish it did. Yeah. I don't know what that's for. Safety glasses. Always need them. Ones I got with the other kit, I had to put together. These are the same ones. They're just put together already. Yeah. Ooh. 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 1,500 more. Give me 1,500 more of that. Yeah, baby. 2 of them. And bing. Charger. Safety gloves. I wonder if these are cut-proof gloves. Safety gloves. We'll check them in a minute. 3 different chains. Quarter 043. Quarter 043. Quarter 043. They're just replacement chains. Not different options. Nice. This one isn't put together, so I gotta put it together. Sweet. I'll do a video on that if you guys want. This thing is sexy. I like it a lot. I like a lot. Oh, just kidding. Oh, came with stickers. Why the hell did they throw Christmas stickers in with it? Huh, guys? Jolly Holly, Christmas Molly. I'll use these for Christmas. Hell yeah. Why wouldn't I? Cute little freaking wrench. Oh, that is so adorable. All right, this is definitely my my favorite one yet. You can't ever have too many chainsaws. This is only my third one buying, guys. It's just, I can't believe it when I can get them for like $1 or free. Why not? No oil in there. That's awesome. It didn't leak in the thing either. Just doesn't come with oil. This one's called the... Does it say Anront? Or is it Asnarot? What does that say? Argonaut? Is it Argonaut? Is it the female version of the Argonauts? Argonaut? 6-inch. I got that part. Anywho, yeah, pretty freaking neat. I must say so. Put that back in there. Drop that in. Put that in. However it was. How was that, guys? Was it like that? Yep, it was like that maybe. I don't know. Here, I got it. See if these batteries came with any kind of charge on them. Battery works, battery charger works, got a green light. And we're red. And we're not blinking or charging. Only they blink when they're charged, but we'll just leave it plugged in. Watch batteries, guys. Watch them when they charge. Especially when they come from China. I actually put them in lipo bags. I put them in flame-proof bags. So I was just checking to see. Definitely wasn't charged. Anywho, pretty dope chainsaw. I'll post how much it costs right about there. Yeah, it's how much it costs. Peace out. Love y'all.